Let's move on to the project procedures. First of all, a quick project overview. You have spent some time exploring street artists who send messages to their communities through art. You explored 5 different artists and 2 different links to learn a little bit about street art. You are now a street artist yourself as my Art 1 student. What will your artwork look like? What message will it send to your community? Please feel free to steal ideas like an artist from other street artists you have explored in the playlist, or you may do some of your own research. The criteria. Your final artwork must be inspired by one or more of the street artists you explored. Remember to steal like an artist. Your final artwork must send a message of some sort to your viewers. Your final artwork must show value using one or more of the skill building techniques you learned. Your street art must be showcased on a building, street, sidewalk, or something similar. That means you're going to include and draw that building or that street in your final artwork. We'll talk more about the standards being assessed later. So you're going to start off with some thumbnail sketches. Divide your paper into 4 sections and then quickly sketch an idea. You don't want to spend a lot of time adding detail, okay? And I also don't want you to fall in love with your first idea. You should have at least 3 thumbnail sketches showing 3 different images with maybe 3 different messages. You'll pick your favorite and you'll draw a rough draft. Your rough draft sketch should be full page. Make sure you are drawing large, filling the space, and creating a bit more detail than your thumbnail sketches. You can also plan and practice adding color if you would like. My example, what I did was I actually found an image of a building, wall, or street. I looked at a row home in downtown Frederick and I drew the building first. Then I started to add my street art, and my message is to be creative. Your final artwork. Draw your composition, your artwork, lightly in pencil first. You may use the 9x12 piece of nice drawing paper provided at Material Pickup, or you can create the final in your sketchbook. Once you have that drawn lightly in pencil first and you're happy with your composition, begin to add value and/or color. Make sure you review the skill building techniques and use them in your final piece. I want to see value. Make sure you are fulfilling the criteria of the project as well. You can go back to slide number 9 to see that. Don't forget, you still need to work through the entire project playlist. So still to come is a peer critique and artist statement. Can't wait to see your work.